Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 4-in-1 welding machine available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 4-in-1 welding machine, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. HZXVOGEN 200A 4-in-1 Aluminium Welding Machine HBM 2280. This MIG welding station is equipped with a digital LCD screen, and the large LCD color screen clearly performs every step of the welding process, which makes welding simple and efficient. The welding machine offers several welding programs to choose from, such as welding voltage, welding current, welding mode, thread diameter, metal type and thickness, 2T/40 point welding mode, VRD, supports 5 welding modes, MIG mix, MIG CO2, MIG on no gas, lift TIG, MMA, MIG, 15200A, MMA, 4170A, TIG lifting, 3200A. With the Synergec function, these parameters can be pre-programmed according to the wire diameter and the combination of gas and metal type to facilitate welding and ensure optimal welding. HZXVOGEN cord wire welding machine has 2 wire front draws, 0.6, 0.8 and 1.0, 1.2. It can be combined with a strong core welding wire with a diameter of 1 kg to 5 kg and a diameter of 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0, suitable for 2.5/2/4.0 acid electrodes, for example B 6018 7013 electrodes. The function of 2D/40 also supports long-term welding. The protective gas welding machine HBM 2280 has a built-in mute switch, no noise emission and no vibrations. After starting, the MMA welding machine has efficient welding. If you want to use the welding machine at home, the hitbox welder works almost silently and does not disturb anybody more. The HBM 2280 can weld aluminium, copper, iron, carbon steel, stainless steel, etc. It is suitable for pipe assembly, repair of molds, petrochemical industry, building decoration, car repair, bicycle, crafts and general manufacturing. Number 2. HZXVOGEN MIG 185A 4-in-1 welding machine. This wire welder supports gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIF and ARC function. MIG can work with 0.8/1.0 mm welding wire to weld 1 to 8 mm thickness workpiece. Lift TIG can use 1.6/2.4 mm tungsten to weld 1 to 6 mm thickness WP17V. TIG torch is not included in this package. MMA can use 2.5/2/4.0 mm electrode to weld 2 to 12 mm thickness. The inverter welder came with color display with make the setting parameter very easy to read. It is super easy and convenient to choose the welding mode by pressing the selection button. When adjust the current, the wire speed and output voltage will be auto-matched. Little splash, deep bath and smooth wire feeding bring you beautiful welding seam. 60% duty cycle, automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control. All of these protections greatly extend the use and life of MIG welding machine. Each welder machine of HZXVOGEN has been professionally tested by industry standards before leaving the factory to ensure that it meets the high standards we set. Number 3. HVT 250P ACDC HZXVOGEN 4-in-1 welding machine. This industrial grade welding machine is capable of welding with ARC/AC TIG, DC TIG, pulse TIG. AC/DC TIG enables precise welding of various types of steel, such as steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, etc. AC duty cycle range, 80%, could weld ultra-thin 0.3 mm aluminium plates. Ideal for outdoor use, work or stick welding of thicker materials. Aluminium welding machine can set pre-gas time, start current, uphill time, peak current, AC frequency, pulse frequency, downhill time and after gas time. Aluminium TIG welder can weld up to 1/4 aluminium on 3/8 mild steel. High frequency and high voltage arcs are easy to start and ensure accurate and reliable welding every time. The current of AC/DC 10-200 amperes is very suitable for welding all types of thicknesses regarding workpieces. The 2T/40 switches available to add convenience foot pedal not include. A gas shield set makes your welds pristine. It is simple to operate for both beginners and skilled welders. Non-contact arc initiation in TIG welders reduces tungsten and material consumption. The unique fan movement cooling system cools the machine quickly, extending the welding time and ensuring a stable TIG weld and a stunning weld performance. Based on VRD, overcurrent/overvoltage/overcurrent/overload/overheat protection functions to take care of customer safety. Each welder machine of HZXVOGEN has been professionally tested by industry standards before leaving the factory to ensure that it meets the high standards we set. We provide a 30-day money-back guarantee and 1 year's warranty for you. Number 4. MIG 250 DP HZXVOGEN 4-in-1 Aluminium Welder. 4-in-1 Aluminium Welder. The inverter welding device HZXVOGEN has process functions, MIG, ARC and lift TIG. The MIG welding machine can be used on substrates made of carbon steel, stainless steel and aluminium. Cord wire welding machine without gas and protective gas welding machine can be used with 0.60.8/1.0 mm wire. It is good for welding cars, doors, pipes and DIY. The protective gas welding device equipped with pulse technology will not break or deform the thin welding plate. The thinnest can weld 0.7 mm metal plate. The filling wire welding device MIG 250 DP also uses IGBT inverter technology, which is stable and energy saving when welding. Take the synchronization technology, choose the mode you want to use, set the appropriate current and voltage and current change automatically. The HZXVOGEN MIG mag welding machine is very suitable for beginners. One button MIG ARC function and can display the current and voltage you need to set. You can weld more easily and efficiently. In addition, the MIG mag welder has color LCD screen, which provides a better visual experience. 1 year warranty and excellent after-sales service. Hitbox is committed to the welding industry. If you have a problem with our product, please contact us first. We can solve your problem. Number 5. Plasmagon 520 TSCP 4-in-1 combo welding machine. 520 TSCP is a multifunction welding machine, with cutting, TIG welding, MMA welding and pulse, suitable for craft production, home, small factories. With it, you can have more possibilities. Pilot arc torch efficiently cuts the rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal for a longer consumable life. Support 3/4 inch max thickness metal cutting, faster cutting speed, low noise and smooth cut surface. 520 TSCP has TIG, MA welding function, high quality TIG welding on stainless steel or steel and precision welding of thinner materials. DC stick, MMA electric current output, easy ARC start, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape, suitable for welding stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel and copper, etc.